When it comes to maintaining optimal digestive health, it is crucial to not only pay attention to the individual foods we consume, but also to the way they are combined. In fact, the combinations of foods we eat can significantly impact how efficiently our body processes and absorbs nutrients. Certain pairings can lead to digestive discomfort, poor absorption of nutrients, or even long-term health problems. Below is a detailed analysis of why certain foods should never be combined. 1. Fruits and dairy. A recipe for digestive discomfort. The pairing of fruits, especially acidic varieties like oranges, lemons, or pineapples, with dairy products such as milk, cheese, or yogurt is a common practice in smoothies and fruit salads. However, this combination can be problematic for digestion. Fruits require a relatively short digestive period, as they are rich in sugars that are quickly absorbed. On the other hand, dairy products need more time to break down due to their complex protein and fat content. When consumed together, these foods digest at different rates, which can lead to bloating, gas, and discomfort. The presence of milk or yogurt can slow down the digestion of fruits, leading to fermentation in the stomach, which produces gases and causes digestive upset. This is why experts recommend consuming fruits on an empty stomach or away from meals containing dairy. 2. Carbohydrates and proteins. A slower digestive process. A typical meal often combines carbohydrates such as rice, bread, or potatoes with proteins like meat, fish, eggs, or legumes. While this may seem like a balanced meal, it can lead to digestive inefficiency. Proteins and carbohydrates require different enzymes and pH levels to break down in the stomach. Proteins require an acidic environment for digestion, whereas carbohydrates need an alkaline environment. The body processes these nutrients at different speeds, and when consumed together, this discrepancy can cause the digestive process to slow down. This delay in digestion can lead to a feeling of heaviness, bloating, sluggishness, or discomfort. Over time, frequent consumption of this combination may also lead to the accumulation of undigested food in the stomach, causing gut fermentation and the production of gases. 3. Starches and sugars. A fermentation nightmare. The combination of starchy foods, such as potatoes, rice, or pasta, with sugary foods, like fruit or desserts, can lead to serious digestive issues. Starches and sugars are processed by the body using different digestive mechanisms. Starches require an alkaline environment to break down, while sugars need an acidic one. When eaten together, they may neutralize each other's digestive environment, which can lead to fermentation in the stomach. This fermentation process produces gas, bloating, and discomfort, as the body struggles to break down both food groups simultaneously. The fermentation also creates a byproduct known as alcohol in the gut, which can result in digestive upset and poor nutrient absorption. 4. Caffeine and iron-rich foods. Inhibiting iron absorption. Iron is a vital nutrient necessary for the production of hemoglobin and overall energy levels. However, drinking caffeinated beverages such as coffee, tea, or soda with iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, red meat, or fortified cereals can interfere with iron absorption. Caffeine contains compounds known as polyphenols, which bind to iron and inhibit its absorption, especially non-heme iron found in plant-based sources. This can result in reduced iron bioavailability, increasing the risk of developing iron deficiency or anemia over time. To ensure optimal iron absorption, it is advised to consume caffeinated drinks separately from iron-rich meals, ideally waiting at least an hour before drinking caffeine. 5. Alcohol and fatty foods. Digestive disaster. Many people enjoy pairing alcohol with rich, fatty foods such as burgers, fried foods, or creamy dishes. However, this combination can overwhelm the digestive system. Alcohol is an irritant to the stomach lining, stimulating the production of gastric acid and increasing the risk of acid reflux, gastritis, or ulcers. At the same time, fatty foods slow down digestion as they take longer to break down in the stomach. When alcohol and fatty foods are consumed together, the stomach's digestive processes become sluggish, causing bloating, nausea, indigestion, and discomfort. Additionally, alcohol can impair liver function, which further complicates the digestion of fats, leading to longer-term health issues such as poor fat metabolism. 6. Tomatoes and starchy foods. Disrupting the digestion process. While tomatoes are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, combining them with starchy foods like pasta, bread, or potatoes can hinder proper digestion. Tomatoes are highly acidic, and when paired with starchy foods, this acidity can interfere with the breakdown of starches. Starches require an alkaline environment to digest properly, so when they are exposed to the acidic nature of tomatoes, the digestive process slows down. This can lead to bloating, indigestion, and discomfort, as the body struggles to process both food groups efficiently. To avoid digestive issues, it is best to consume tomatoes and starchy foods separately, or use tomatoes in dishes that contain alkaline ingredients, such as vegetables. 7. Meat and dairy. A heavy digestion burden. The combination of meat and dairy, such as in a cheeseburger or meat lasagna, is popular but can place significant strain on your digestive system. Both meat and dairy contain high levels of protein, which requires an acidic environment for digestion. However, meat breaks down best in a highly acidic stomach, while dairy is better digested in a slightly alkaline environment. Combining these two protein-dense foods forces the digestive system to operate in two different pH environments simultaneously, leading to slower digestion and potential discomfort. Over time, this combination can contribute to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and even long-term gut health problems due to the inefficiency in nutrient absorption. To promote better digestion, energy levels, and overall well-being, it's important to be mindful of the food combinations you consume. By understanding which foods should not be paired together, you can avoid unnecessary digestive distress, improve nutrient absorption, and support your body's natural digestive rhythm. The key is to focus on balanced meals, paying attention to the digestive processes each food requires. With proper food combinations, you can not only improve your digestion, but also achieve better long-term health outcomes.
Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.